Hi, I'm Jamie Prince. I'm an inclusion facilitator at Tapestry Public Charter School, and I'm really excited to be talking about our Peers curriculum program. I would like to give you a little bit of background on what Peers represents. Peers is the program for the education and enrichment of relational skills. Peers is an evidence-based intervention for adolescents in learning how to make and keep friends. The Peers program at Tapestry has been such a great addition to our social emotional learning curriculum for our students because it really breaks down what are the different characteristics of good friendships and how you go about making those friendships into some really manageable lessons in which our students have an opportunity to practice. We've been using the Peers Curriculum program at Tapestry since 2018, and we actually had an opportunity to train with Dr. Elizabeth Lageson at UCLA, who actually developed the program back in 2005. Currently, we're offering our Peers program for our middle and high school students with an autism or ADHD diagnosis. And we're looking to expand our program to all students because we've had such great success in the past and we feel like it could benefit all students in an inclusive school environment. Peers is really unique because it uses a manualized curriculum by having students come in for weekly classes that help them build friendships and maintain them. Our Peers program also uses social coaches, and social coaches are most often going to be a family member, a teacher, or support staff at Tapestry. The goal of the social coach within our Peers program at Tapestry is to have simultaneous learning between the student learning new skills around making and keeping friends and to reinforce these newly learned skills outside of the class. What we see from this reinforcement of these skills is we have a broader opportunity to take these lessons we've been learning and apply them in the community and apply them in their actual day-to-day lives, which is really helping to increase how students feel socially connected and to give them an opportunity to build their social network. The format of our peers group ranges from around 6 to 8 students at a time, and we like to keep our group small enough so it's organic in its learning experience where everyone gets to interact. For our parents that are interested in enrolling their child in our peers program or would just like more information about our program, we can provide parents with a phone screening, Google Meets, or Zoom meeting to discuss any potential challenges the student may have had in the past with making friends or what their potential goals are for making and keeping friends in the future. At Tapestry, we love to empower our students to take possession of their own innate talents and become creative builders of their own futures. The Peers curriculum at Tapestry promotes positive social interactions for students learning the skills for making and keeping friends and teaches students valuable lessons for relationship building that are meaningful for their future. If you would like more information about our Peers program at Tapestry, you can access a link from the Tapestry Public Charter School website and email us. Thank you for your time.